Pasta's ready?
Maybe. Go check.
Yeah, I'll check on it.
We have no sauce. What do you mean we don't have any sauce?
I mean, we don't have any fucking sauce.
What the fucking shit? What the fuck? No. What the fuck? No goddamn sauce, you bastard! No. Why? Oh! Why, God? Why? Wait. I have an idea.
Let's make our own sauce.
What do I look like, a 70-year-old Italian woman to you, huh? Is that what I look like to you? I got a better idea. Let's go across the hall and see if they have any sauce. What are you doing? Shut the fuck up! Where is it? Where the fuck is the sauce? No. Where is your sauce? It's... Shut the fuck up! How am I supposed to answer?
Answer the goddamn question.
Alright. It's in the third cabinet. Third cupboard. There's no goddamn sauce there. Where's the sauce, man? I don't have any, I swear to God. Bullshit, don't lie to me. I swear to God! Take a step back. Looks like we're gonna have to go get our own sauce. Dude, stop doing that.